Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric and today we're going to take a drive in this 2021 Kia Sorento X-Line. Right away, here's the key. The X-Line is about the mid-trim level. It's more the off-roady version of this Kia Sorento, so it's not the top trim at all. Let me just turn on the lights back on by switching and flipping around. But we're going to take a night drive today. You can see all the stats on your right-hand side on the night drive. We're going to take a look at the headlights, obviously LED in this one, and see how well the high beam assist works here in a wonderful snowy night around Toronto. And yeah, there's not much more to say except for if you want to hear all my thoughts on this Kia Sorento, click in the top right hand corner where you can find my full in-depth review. That's all I'm going to say. Well, for the most part, I'm going to be quiet and we're going to get in this Kia Sorento. Actually, let's do a remote start. So we just lock it and hold the button here on the side. Very timid, as you can see. 2.5 liter turbo inline 4. But despite being the mid-trim level, oops, there we go. It's actually really nice. It's a captain's chairs, third row. It is nice, but let's turn down the AC, capacitive touch buttons right here. Turn on the heated steering wheel and the heated seats. We don't really need it, but let's also go into snow mode right here for this very brief part. And yeah, let's go drive it. There you can see we have multiple cameras. We can switch between one going directly down and then the regular one. There's a button. And now we can go back into the regular driving mode. Okay, to turn off the high beam, turn on the high beam assist, simply push out the left stick. I'm going to wait here for a second. Probably wouldn't turn on anyway, but I just want to make sure that we don't blind these fellas here. And we can turn it on. There we go. Let me give you a brief comparison. High beams on and off. Very quick to respond when it senses the car in front. Pretty much instantly turns off the light. Just like in the Celtas we've had a few months ago. Very, very good high beam assist in these Kias. thought we were a bit further in front. I took over manual control. We got paddle shifters that you can definitely not see right now, but you'll see them in the full review. And maybe switch into sport mode because I want to accelerate out of a turn. For that one, we can maybe go into this mode so you can see where the power is getting sent. That was pretty good. Obviously not full throttle, but not bad. The shifting is quick, as you can see. Throttle response is pretty good. And let's shift up again. Honestly, a surprisingly good experience for a 3-row SUV. Let's put it back into regular and normal driving mode though. Comfort. You know what? Let's put it into eco, just to compensate for what we did. We won't be able to compensate for that, but well, it was fun. And we can put on traction control again. Okay. Here we are, back. That was a quick POV drive. And yeah, really good high beam assist, and driving wise was also pretty nice, but that's not what we're going to talk about in this, like I said, full review, top right hand corner or in the left, on the left hand side of your screen in a few seconds. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out the full review, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye.